Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my class. And after completing the series of unanswered question, now I am here with another topic that will help you a lot for improving the calculations and learning so many tricks. Now you might be thinking, what is this topic? So this topic is in front of you, that is Vedic mathematics. So in this video I'll be introducing the Vedic mathematics, or in short I'll be using this word, that is VM, because Vedic mathematics is quite long term, so I hope you'll understand with the short term only, that is VM. So in this video I'll be discussing these 5 points which are, I think, more than sufficient for the introduction of it. First thing that we'll learn is definition of Vedic mathematics. Actually, if you see these two words, then you can easily understand that Vedic is a word which is being derived from the word Veda. And mathematics, it is very familiar term. Mathematics means it is a branch of science that deals with the logics, calculations, shapes, and etc. Okay. So what is the combined meaning of Vedic mathematics? That means if we wrap these words into a single unit, then Vedic mathematics is a branch of mathematics that deals with some specific knowledge taken from the Hindu scriptures. Because as you know that there are 4 Vedas, and this is derived from one of the Vedas. Okay. Then second thing, what does it consist? As I already said that it is derived from the holy scriptures, so it will consist something like that only. It consists of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Okay, these 16 sutras are similar to the formulae in mathematics, and sub-sutras are like this statement which you might have seen in before or after the theorems named as Corollary. Okay, so 16 sutras are like the formulae, basic formulae, and 13 sub-sutras are the statements like Corollary. Okay, the next question which you might be thinking, that who discovered Vedic mathematics? But if you focus, I have written this word, who rediscovered. So it has a short story. Now, as we know that there are 4 Vedas. If we name out, then Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sham Veda, and Athar Veda. So Vedic mathematics is derived from the Athar Veda. Okay. Now, as it is derived by someone, the name of that mathematician or that monk is Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. He was the monk who derived, or I will use the word who rediscovered, because it was already there in Athar Veda, but he had taken all those important formulae and the sub formulae, you can call, into a single book. That's why I have used this word rediscovered. So Bharti Krishna Tirthaji rediscovered this book in the 20th century, in the era of 1911 to 1918. Okay, so he has completed the book in this era. Now, the roles of Vedic mathematics, or the roles of VM. As we know, there are some advantages as well as some disadvantages. That's why I've also written limitations also, because a coin always have two faces. So first we'll talk about the rules of Vedic mathematics. As we know that there are always some tricks, okay, which we follow in the maths, because maths is all about the logics and formulae. So Vedic mathematics has given lot of tricks to the maths. Second thing, scientifically if we go for it, then you might be knowing that our brain has two parts, the left and the right part. Our left part of the brain is the seat of logical thinking, and our right part of the brain is the seat of creativity. So Vedic mathematics has given the contribution for developing the left and right brain both by giving the visualization and concentration power. The most important thing, or the most important role of Vedic mathematics in the history of maths, is that it helps in improving the solutions and the calculations in maths. And the last but not the least, the role of Vedic mathematics is that it helps in removing the fear or the maths phobia. Now is the limitations of Vedic mathematics. I'm pretty sure that there might be more limitations, because there is nothing in this world which is, errorless, so as the VM also. And the very profound limitation of this topic is that if you forget the trick, you will be in dilemma how to solve the question. So it's I hope it depends on the student and depends on the teacher. So I will try to remove this limitation from this topic, Vedic mathematics, while teaching you the tricks in a well manner. So I hope now this video is quite informative for you, and you have learned a bit regarding Vedic maths. And in the next video I'll continue with the tricks and these formulae and sub-formulae of Vedic maths. So I think it's more than sufficient for today's class. Thank you so much.